This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Nissan Frontier, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to connect your phone to this vehicle via Bluetooth. Press the menu button to begin. Select Settings. Press the Connections button. Hit Add New. Confirm the connection on your phone. There you go, you're connected to your Frontier. Next, we're going to show you how to change the center brake light bulb. Enter the vehicle to begin. Pry off these two small covers. Use a socket extension and remove two 10mm bolts from the back of the housing. Here's a close-up of the bolt. Pull the housing out of the vehicle. Pivot it forward. Here's your bulbs. Turn the bulb assembly and pull it out. You can pull the bulb straight out to remove it. Finally, let's access the oil drain plug and oil filter for you for your oil change. Here's your drain plug. Use a 14mm socket on this plug. Let's go for your oil filter next. Reach down here and look for this cover. Remove two 10mm bolts. Pivot the cover off. Reach up here for the oil filter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more repair videos and more in-depth repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.